Alright, next step is get this power pole block that's made for DIN rails. This is a DIN rail, and it kind of goes like, oops, kind of goes like that. Alright. What I'm going to do is cut it right about here. That'll give me plenty of length to work with. I can add 2 of these if I want. I'll just add 1 though. 1 machine screw right here will hold it just fine. And so what you see here is just a regular old miter saw with a wood blade. This is aluminum. That blade will go through this like butter. So stand by. Oh, you notice I'm wearing a leather glove because if this jerks or yeah, I just don't want to have metal in my hand if it jerks. So I'm gonna go really slow. All right, here we go. Just a little, it's even fairly smooth, not even sharp. All right, that's it. Next step, install this. All right, so last time cut this, and instead of putting this power pole block in the bottom of the box here, decided I'm going to mount it to the top, and let me put this thing in. So basically want it to be right about here, which puts it between this outlet and the solar charge controller. This is about where it will sit, which will give me plenty of room to have things plugged in and not interfere with the block of wood I'm probably going to have to put in here to help keep the battery in place. So I think that's pretty good. I thought I might be able to put it on this side, but I don't want all the claptrap over here. So what I've done is mark a couple holes. So what I did was I said, hey, one about here, and it's right, the back of this block is right aligned with this thing right here, and all I did was say, hey, you know, whereabouts is that? So yeah, so this edge is this edge. This edge is lined up with this edge, and then I just put 2 magic marker marks here and here just to give me a rough spot. This doesn't need to be perfect. So that's roughly in line with those dots, roughly in the middle. And yeah, it's going to miss a rib, so let's drill. Oops. All right. It's just a quick test fit here. Oops, not quite gonna miss that rib. truss head's gonna hit this rib right here, so what I'll do is I can just take a razor knife and cut that rib down so this sits flush. I've decided that I need to trim this rib down, so that's what I'm doing. Saying always cut towards your friend, not yourself. Yeah, something like that. Just need to sneak the edge of that truss head in there. I think that might be it. So I'm good with it for right now. Just want to check the shorter machine screw. Yeah, I think I'll use the shorter one. Alright. No, I thought that was the one I was using the other day. Alright, 3/8 is going to be close enough. The other one was a metric wrench. I thought that's what I was using the other day to tighten these things up, even though this hardware isn't metric. Alright, so that's installed. And then something like that. Yeah, so I think this is sort of fitting flush, but I might take a Dremel tool and with a sanding drum and make that just a little bit prettier, a little bit more flush. So that should sit right in here now.